the kids they see everything wey dey happen.
Okay.
If they dey with me, they go meet their father. That type of life they no need am. They never expect that type of life from us.
Yeah, but
So
now
those
the kind
things
of
dey
life una
affect
got
them
to live
mentally.
with that. No, Lily, there you are wrong, okay? You know if you tell me say because you no deal with your father again, they know if you go they see their father, you go they affect their mental health. This is something they have to accept and abide with it because marriage no work, no mean say children they fatherless, eh? You understand me? So it no work out, no mean say children they fatherless. So you staying away from your husband or keeping your children away from your ex-husband just because say the children go they traumatized. No, they will be more traumatized when they don't get their father for their life. According to what you talk, you say your children see one of your pikin can't see your papa with another woman. Can't tell you say, look at daddy there. That means they know their father and they love their father. They don't care about their father. They don't go tell you say, look at daddy there. So you
Thank
know
you
go
very
fit
much.
say you are
Thank
mad,
you very
don't
much.
divorce. Please, please,
We never
Mike.
divorce.
You know go fit talk say you are keeping your children away from their father because you are not there with the father again. That is very wrong, and you need to like couple it, accept the breakup, and allow this man to have access to his kids. You understand me? So you have to do that for the
Yeah,
sake of your
she will
kids.
do that. She will do that.
Yes,
Is he taking
because
responsibility?
Unat,
Is he
Unat,
taking
yes, you have to
I
do
beg,
that.
please God beg una.
For the sake of the children, you have to do that. You have to do that. The more they hide them from their father, the more they traumatize those children. That growing up without a father is really, really messy. Me, I grew up without a father. Maybe when we grow up without their parent, they can't tell you how they be. It's not a
Eh,
good thing to do.
Oga Mike,
Allow their father into their life.
Perry,
Another person fit talk.
Perry, wait. Oga Mike, you see the best way for you to win custody, start paying your children money. So that your receipt, you go show court, say, I dey take care of this
The man,
children.
this man like person no fit pay children custody. No be
Hey,
the
bros,
children no
Tompolo,
dey
wait
pay
now,
custody.
Tompolo, wait.
Wait.
Tompolo, wait. I
We
dey
have
tell out a
see
weak case,
like make we ask
Tompolo.
this man one question more than 30 minutes.
Tompolo, wait. Then they
Wait
tell out he go take weak case. When men tell they win child custody. Bros Lucky, you not there with that man. Bros Lucky, you not there to talk with that man. They bring the children from France, call give her. Because he show receipts. If I like,
the children when they don't see where they won't show receipt. They say
why
so.
would they tell you now say it's because
Thank you.
I don't understand. Oga Mike, there's a matter we settled last where the woman carry children run go France, go chop aduro. Him husband donation am for here, carry lawyer, carry private lawyer, not government lawyer. They
Me, na
deport that
private
children.
lawyer, I see, I not carry
This
government
is
lawyer.
bros.
As this man don say he carry news now. You never hear say he carry news don report matter to news station. Abi.
Lawyer, dey news. Na two news. The other news go switch on very
Me
soon.
wetin dey vex me now me dey kpolo one idiot go now wey be say he say pikin go find am. Na me cause it one now wey he still dey find him own. I never give us any reason say this children dey risk.
Okabo Mike.
Sister Lily,
The
Sister Lily,
simplest
can
way
you
for
hear me?
you. Say you get that.
Sister Lily, can you hear me?
This man never give us any reason. Wey reach to carry children run.
Now make I dey tell you now say if you want
never
hold
give
the
us
if you want
wait,
I dey
abeg.
compare it. Oga Mike, if you want hold the woman by law, I don't care whether na 50 euro if you get IBAN, be putting it till you
Ah,
want
you
it.
wear the IBAN. They don't even know where this woman dey. As
So
they talk now, we don't know the country where this woman dey.
Oh wait.
We don't even know where this woman dey now. Nobody know the country. Nothing.
Make una, please, Uncle Mike, please wait. You people should know that this woman, Lily here, is a woman that has been heartbroken. No matter how the marriage go, being with a man and having, please, Uncle Mike, please don't distract me, please. Being with a man and having 2 kids with that man and everything can turn out to go left, not as you plan them. She might have had plans where be say, is scatter because she come up for this marriage. So now go got to know say she dey deal with her like she dey try to accept everything we don't happen. You understand me? So everybody gets different reaction to these situations like this. So
Okay,
now
now
her own reaction. Wait now,
Nice one. Can I talk?
Ross Lucky, wait. Her own reaction. Uncle Mike, you go talk, I beg. Uncle Mike, you talk, I beg. Wait, I beg you talk. Now your case, you talk. So now her own reaction she dey do now. So what this woman need now? What this Lillian need now? Now an elderly person or all of us wait there here. Maybe we tell her how life really be. Maybe she don't even understand how life is. Like she needs somebody to talk her out of it. Like no matter what it don't happen, accept it. I have lost this man I have lost this woman, this marriage, but my kids are also his kids. I can't take his kids away from him. You understand me? So she have to accept what it already happened now. So I need to talk to her, like when I need to just like talk to her, make she accepts. Don't be say when I go force her.
Yes,
You understand me? So
we understand. That is the truth.
thank you.
Yes. Lily, God bless you, my dear sister. You understand me? So there are things in life when we pass through. That one is sure. You say this our brother, Mr. Mike, he put you for depression. We understand. You understand? So, but for sure, my dear sister, the depression where you want to put this man, say, yeah, it go pass the one where you put you. I don't really side down say, Margo, I better make this guy mute. I don't really side down say, wetin happen to man, say, no matter wetin happen, say, your wife, it can't happen to between you and your wife. Now, wetin go feel resolve, say, we go rent house. Even though you who build the house, now you who buy it, don't pay finish. Don't suppose me, Mr. Mike, may you go rent. I rest my, I better they come, I rest my case. May you go rent house near those people. Are you getting me? Except say maybe as you rent house near your children, you need to go to see them always. No, you also know the kind of life when you see they live for their front. You understand me? So that one I can't see pass by. So I beg, my dear sister, we won't talk about the children. We just go beg you. Because if you go make this man go corona, can only wait till you get for your life. Because money not be everything. Now this speaking, when you get, now be the fact, now be the everything. You understand? So now be your achievement. You understand? So I beg, if you know where you dey, after you also reason and you still use people wey sit there here, the brain and everything, and wetin we don still talk since wey see enter your ear, make you use am still take do something, make you get access to a pikin. If you know say yes, the relationship still dey your mind, na the owner fit now still sit down, now still talk am out. You understand? So I believe say those one wey dey friend now, they never born for am, na you be the first wife. If this man die tomorrow, if he in Canada,
Mama, why your vagina is big?
I dey call lucky man. This is lucky man.
What if now someone that pikin has that question go beat that pikin? No, you want to know why you small, why my own big? You small, my own big. You not get her, man, me get her. Why?
Now this one what they need
give her that correct answer. Say the
Continue.
President.
I beg.
Wait, I go look at the call. President say, you know, say we get connection for every year. You get me, so. Bros, Mike. I know see. The only problem I see for you, I mean, we also tell you as a man, you see be. You not be woman beater, you not be woman abuser. You hear me, so. You take off your children. But they say you too like what it dey scared to. They say you too like what it dey scared. Cause me no say this lady na not because say they fear say your children dey risk. Let me make am. If they do am based on maybe he still need you or the pain. Not be anything about them, about children. No, na you know do am. To our sister, if you see Aunty Lily, you know say if you no want make to see work with you and your husband. Because it's like you see they jealous, all those things with the man. Let me get you wrong. When I too get family, bros last. When I too get family, I go solve that one art. But you are not fit solve on yourself art. That no mean say you go call carry children till they punish the man. No comfort. We want to know where the children dey. We want to know the country where you dey. We want to know how the mouth is the children.
Yes,
so
I don't know. No, only that one. And you want what I want, I beg. Lillian, I just got to beg you. Even though the way everything be, not be so you country go, but everybody don't move on. Even me, I don't tell you before, I tell your family, I don't move on. You say if you don't move on. All what I want to hear from the children. If you need any support for the children, I dey available at any time. When the children dey, anywhere that they go, or the kind they go. For me, that not be problem for me. All what I just tell you, say, I want to hear for the children. Even when I call your sisters, I send your sisters message. Now what I tell them? All what I want to hear from them. Nothing more than that. I don't say
I beg, help us not to leave. They say you get level well for Barry.
I don't want
They
to
say you get level well for Barry.
I don't get level, brother.
They say you get level. They say you get level well for Barry. You say you get level.
Mike, I will say you dey respect.
Oya, Muna, wait, make she talk. She dey talk now. Sister Becky, abeg, let her talk. Lily talk, we dey hear you.
Mike, I will say you dey respect wait see the share for us. I will take they take care of the children. I for not carry the children come out.
That's what I'm why wait, man, wait.
Wait.
Now you
Mac,
So you
Mac,
dey
wait,
talk.
Mac,
No,
wait.
let them
Mac, Mac, wait.
So you dey talk.
Mike,
Keep
wait,
quiet.
make she talk.
Leave two of them in the talk. Leave them in the talk. Leave them in the talk.
I will say you respect the decision that day. The paper wey sociale give you, wey you sign, and you take dey carry. Na only 2 days you dey carry the children. Only 2 days, only weekend.
Say weekend.
Na me dey take care of them from Monday till Friday. Saturday and Sunday na when I take dey rest, take do some kind work. I will say you dey keep that decision because the load too much for only me one.
Okay.
But the first time I dey see you, you no dey assist me. The load too much for na make me carry the children.
Go reverse.
Wait, you don't talk finish.
You understand so? And you know say take care of them. Only me one. Na me
Let
dey
her talk.
na me
Don't
dey
ask
give
her
them
to
food.
talk
Na me dey
finish.
do everything. Unity, I'm talking.
Two of them.
You understand so? Now you don't dey complain say you are no problem. I'll carry the children come give you for the city. I go carry the
My
children.
sister,
I'll
I
come
need to
leave
happy
the
pass, I
children.
beg.
So I'll come carry the children.
Lily,
I'll come
Lily,
carry the
listen,
children.
listen.
You wanna
Listen,
wait
you carry
because
pikin
I
comot
don
go
dey
give
this Europe for
social.
9 years.
Mamma
I
mia.
no achieve anything
bros,
because of
please, make
say
me wait
I
now, me
stand
let
by
her talk.
you. I dey assist you as a good wife.
Wait,
Before you
wait.
complain of anything,
Wait,
I don
wait,
stand by your
wait.
side. Stand. No, wait, may I talk my word. You don carry me now. You
Bros,
don
leave
dey
this place
post
where you're talking.
me
Leave me talk.
all
Leave
the
me
social
talk.
media. Say I carry the children run. No problem. I go carry the children. I'll come drop them for you. Then I'll come out. Waka my
Fine.
waka.
No problem, no problem.
Because you, the
I
same
ready to
you,
accept them.
the
I
same
accept
you.
them.
Now I tell you, so okay, but we'll share these children 1-1. You say no, you no want. Say you no go fit do the work.
Wait, as a mother,
Now you don't dey post me and the children because you don't know the kind load when me carry. When me, you don't know what I dey suffer for them from now. I go carry the children, I'll come drop them for you.
okay, no problem. I ready.
Okay,
Lily.
Mike, talk. I beg.
Excuse
Now
me,
me
I
dey
beg,
hold
Mona
this
not
live
beg,
video.
Mona
Mona
talk, I
say
no
let me
talk.
Okay,
talk.
Becky, talk. Becky, talk.
Wait, I fit talk.
Mama I say and Papa say. Mama I say.
Wait,
I dey beg you stay.
wait. As a mother, when you be, you see, call yourself a mother. You won't divide 2 sisters. One day with their father, one day with their mother. You
We no go divide anybody. They'll come back.
All what I want.
They'll come back, Papa
If I
say, no
not do
worry.
that, no,
They'll
they
come
bet
back.
this woman now.
All what I
That's
want.
a
All
mother.
what I want.
Mona waiting.
Nothing more than that.
Oh, I go drop everybody for this talk. All these women, Mona, they waiting. All these women, when they follow back the peace. No be no get there here. Me no dey give person all those kind chance today.
Na big toto husband dey here.
You see me say me we agbada. You see say me we agbada. Me know we agbada now. Abi you see agbada cap on my head. Abeg, Mama Becky talk. Abeg, cause they say you get left for body talk.
Mike and Lilian. Papa say, Mama say. I use God beg una. Papa say, you don't call me for this matter tire. Mama say, whether he block me or I be, you know, they use the number again, I don't know. Na through messenger I tell they talk to her. Last time we would talk, I tell you, say I know they feel reach her. Thank God say this matter come up. Na me even send her this video. Mama say, Biko, Ejim Tupu Yogi. I use God there will beg you. Mako muge. Ba around kanu. Oh, go dem una choice, even though you don't want again. Biko. All no call. At least 3-4 times in a week or every day if you want. If you know say you don't want to come back, I don't know where you dey, whether the place better pass where you for come out, I don't know. But I beg, Makanna Habiko, for you to see this man go up to this extent, me self, I don't tire. Biko, I beg, if not to come back, una house dey there, they wait for una.
No,
I beg.
the house dey for said. Nobody fit enter there again.
Bros,
Okay.
no verse, so bros, this woman, so this your woman, so one thing we tell me say, they swear say, since what this thing happen, say, nobody don't temper, and bros, wait, this woman still need the family back. Since you care about the children, the man are not settle, cause you know the man not to get problem, you know to get problem. But me never see anything violent for this place. Why I not packing myself back as a family?
No, wait. I know to one. I know if you come back to Adana number 1. They say when man and woman they ask now the man know wetin dey face for his house whereby no fit talk come out.
Where about to change all those things call?
See, may everything be like this. All what I want, my children, might hear from them, might see them.
Bros Lucky Nice, una good afternoon. I beg no kuna no.
I
want
this one.
I don't know if they fucking out. This man so na be the problem for this relationship.
I beg. Mona, I want to talk to Lily, eh?
Thank
Please.
you, bros Chris. Thank you so
Please.
much. I don't
Lily.
see am.
Mona, waiting.
I dey come out.
Last year, this one, I'll drop him out.
I don't know why God
Lily.
don't call this woman for someone kill.
Lily, see, as a lady, as a woman, I understand how you feel. I know everything when they feel.
Yeah, she
If you know, say, you don't want to settle with Bros Mike again, the only thing I will have to tell you is, allow am access to the children. The word when you talk now, say you go share and one. As a mother, you're not supposed to utter that word. You're not supposed to talk, say you go share and one. See, let me tell you, my love, the love of a mother to the children, nobody fit share am. If you carry
she not go fit. She only talk that one. She not go fit.
God bless you for
if you
that
carry
one.
these children now, you carry
auntie,
give this man.
No, you misunderstand me. I say when we dey Italy then, when the load was much on me. So my little one come say one go meet his father.
You
So
don't
I
need Germany. You don't need Germany.
Okay.
I called him.
Lily, are you Lily, wait.
No, auntie,
Mona,
wait. Then, no,
Lily, are you
Mama,
still
then
in
we dey
Italy?
the
Abi, you
same
don't reach
compound.
Germany.
No, we are in the same compound. Then,
Okay, now you still dey the same compound. The only
No,
thing you
then I was staying in the same building.
No,
that
he don't
house,
need
so
Germany.
they
He don't need
same
Germany.
house.
Okay.
You understand? So I can't tell us, okay, you can't carry one of the girls, make me own one. That time we still did the same street then. You understand? So he said, no, he want to go talk to a lawyer. I could say, I just don't need anything like lawyer. If my baby want to sleep for house, you can't come and sleep. Just I did play that I was even joking when I say such thing. Not be even now.
Okay, Lily, the only thing you have to do is allow
him.
this man to his children. You they get so it's not like as if maybe you won't carry all the children. When you just go give am, making just carry am. You they get so let am get responsibility at least. Make he get custody to the children. Even if you are not together with this man again, you not feel anything again because I understand where your pain is coming from. You they get so this is not the father so you won't carry the children when you give am, may you waka, may you live your life. That is not what we are saying. Allow this man to get access to the kids also. Okay, he get like 1 week, 2 weeks. You understand? Make the children stay with the man. The next week he go stay with you because I have a friend where be saying he dey into the same situation like this. If there so like 1 week now, he go carry the children, he go give the man. The man go carry the children, go out, they go for guiding, they go for places. You understand? So they go still come back. So you have to allow access with these children to the man. That is the only thing you have to do. Not just talk say maybe you want just carry the children, you want share and one to the man. No, it not they happen like that. You they get so as a mother. As a mother, you need to know the whereabouts of the children. Because if you say you won't leave that children like that, my dear, I know advice you may you all abandon, may you all leave the children like that to this man.
This thing where you
You not go feel leave the children for waiting now.
Like
exactly.
No. Mike
there is
said
nothing like
no
sharing.
because of
just
his
allow
job.
access to the man. Nothing like sharing.
You
dey get so.
Yes.
Ceci Evedo, calm down. They don't already tell Sharon, make the children go to meet the man for weekend. Say,
Yes,
the man
even they keep to it. It's not the evil sign. It's sign. The paper is still with me.
Wait, my
it's sign.
Brother Mike, you see what
people don't understand what I'm saying.
The pain when this woman they talk, so the fault is coming from you also.
It's sign.
You dey see wetin she dey talk. It's coming from you also.
You know
The woman
they
don't
anyone.
accept say
Becky,
this thing is going to be like this.
Truth.
So you have to
Auntie,
accept
wait.
it like this.
Becky, you know the truth. Becky, sometimes I go carry these children, go all the way to Bari, go drop them. My for film meet up for my work. How much are they paying me? 400 euro every day. This man want just use those children to frustrate. This man is looking for everything with that white girl. They are looking for everything to frustrate me and turn me to a bad person in that city. Do you know what I'm facing? The white woman would advise on what to do because
It's okay.
Madalili, I beg una dey talk since me I no talk. Madalili, you see me now, Me, I know the judge in favor
You
with.
say you there around. You don't tell me say you
See,
dey
me,
I
I know
dey
the
on call.
judge. I know the judge in favor with for
No
anybody.
vex.
I don't reach my lawyer
Any
place.
better for me? I want buy.
I don't reach my lawyer place.
But you still like lawyer. You know, fit step back.
Brother Mac.
Before you
Mac,
keep on
eh?
saying to the thing, lawyer, I want to take your mother to
Mona,
court. I
wait.
want to take your mother to court.
Wait,
And I know able to see,
I'll
bros.
follow your lawyer. I'll follow your lawyer.
because me na wait.
See, bros, if you not because of you people, but I know able care. If you like me, post me. If you like me, post me everywhere. I know able care.
Ati wait, don't be too much of talk. This man, they talk, he say, this matter, they carry pikin. Man will be say, they suddenly no see pikin. Make the man just sit down for his house. This man say, this matter, he don't take lawyer, don't take government. So make the man just,
See, Topolo, wait, see, Shebi see this brother Mac, You see this brother Mac? If he there now, I go to tell him to his face. Me, I not dey perfect, but when it come to father role, this guy fail woefully.
Confirm.
You get me? So when it come to father role, this guy when they talk for years, so he fail woefully. You get me? So he fail woefully. Me no go lose God man picky for one woman me see a carry home. He fail woefully when it come to say fatherly caring or fatherly love. Now when this man no dey see these children again, now the thing they inch for body guy. You get me? So more you dey see. Now this guy don't say these children don't go far from man. See, you see when they see those children that time, this guy no send. When he did the same area with that woman that time, when they see those children for her, when he will come out for a house, this woman will carry them come out for us. They see them. We be men until they tell me. I don't know what I pass through. You get me? So
from Rumo to where me dey na 1 hour. From Rumo to where me dey na 1 hour. Sometimes family dey carry the children, they can't give.
Na Lily now will say, but let me some if me they talk, I know the way they talk. Me know the where this woman for wrong, where that man for wrong, me will sit there because they don't able to get matter here. But you see that brother Mac, he fail woefully when it come to say my responsibility. When we say when man no say yes, this one are my children. You get me? So shebi see these people now. If this woman now, I know they lie. If this woman never did Germany, this woman don't did France. This woman not dey Italy. And so they talk, so this woman not dey Italy. If this woman not dey papa to all single mother go don carry am sis. Now Germany be papa, now be say, I'm your father, come, I not the wrong. Papa to all single mother don carry am. That is Germany.
Bros, you funny, oh. That's the way
I
they
tell
do. They get go
Papa
Germany
to
go
us.
do.
No.
She dey Italy.
Lucky Nance. What?
She get 0-0.
This woman, she the Italy. Lily, she see the Italy. But
So
She dey Firenze. After they hide where she dey. She dey Firenze. I don't know what they hide.
Lily, see me I tell you. When I come to I know say this thing go pay now woman, nothing no dey pay anything if you pay woman. You get me so? Me I see they come to Lily side. Now the man side that me and they talk so. Because when those children dey with that man for that area that time, this man eye never open. Now when he go wake up, area when be they look, they jam the children before, you know they see them again. Now he procures all tight now. You get me so? You know they see those children for again, he procures all tight. Because you know say that children not dey in area again. You get me so? That's why he now the tight bet to make sure say if he see children. You get me so? But Lily, wetin we go see beg you here, no be quarrel. Wetin you all do now for you to help us give her access. You get me so? Now for you to help us give her access, maybe they see children. Like me and me on the two, they like more they put ourselves for all these people on. And when the first slave our papa, see them and mental health. They never come out. Me, any of my matter, me no go let her enter this Oyibo Ipo and say, I want to go take lawyer, I want to go take this one. Me, I don't get business. You get me so? But for Lily, my old one when you talk, I go see talk amu. The one when you talk, say, you know, they do the license. Woman, no, they tell me that one. If you, now, when me tired, like me, I they talk say I don't like sex. So, but that one you take talk say, you know you have for time, say you know to like sex. Me, that one, me, I not bad idea. Toto na life. Toto na life. So that one you ever talk that I the one food me they talk say, you know say I not to like am. Did they make woman tell me say you not to like to fuck? Now that they are bagger. If you meet the verse, I see Toto, I go laugh. Now my own, I tell you so. If you feel they give me Toto, me not believe in love. Oh, now only my mother. Now I believe say go feel love me. Me not believe in love. If woman they give me Toto, I not they go anywhere. Me and you go your day. Make sure you they give me that taste of that to you use and taste for me. I don't shit on you. Me not go shit. Have you heard the top 12 word for months?
Now true you talk because
You get-
for
have you
woman
heard the
to
top
dey deny
12
you
word?
access to her body, for woman to deny you access to her body, meaning say e don tire for you for a very long time.
Mostly when
E
you
don
only go
tire
back
for
home
you
or
because
eat bread
this
for
woman,
front.
If you matter for
our
my not
body,
tell
e
me
get the way when
move
our
on.
body take dey.
But
For
she
where
said
she
she
just deny you
Sexy
access,
vendor.
you don
She said she do operation.
If woman tire for man for sex, that means no need marry again now. So if the man move on, the man can
yes,
move on.
yes, automatically because the woman now, e mind don dey
that
another
no
place.
be
The woman don focus for
Wait,
another place.
Sexy vendor. She talk
because
about
she's not
say
happy. But
she
it's
do
okay, it's
operation.
okay. If you
She's
marry your
not
woman
happy
finish,
in the marriage
may your woman not
anymore.
happy, may not give it to two.
Everything
Then it's
about the
okay.
marriage
Bishop
don tire
is
her.
not happy.
Na im make.
At least you have to told him. May you fair marry woman first. May not have, may not give it to
Ma?
I beg,
She said she do
Sister Lily, Sister
operation. Then
Lily,
make her she don't call the one
Sister Lily, what you
see?
get to tell us now? Because nobody go there again now, nobody saga again now. Sister Lily, what you get to take end this issue? How you want to Sister Lily? Now you get
Lily,
fancy.
abeg,
No be me
okay.
get fancy.
Just
Lily,
allow
what you get to
access
tell
to
us?
the children
Because
of
me
the
will go
man.
work, I'll
Okay.
go work around 6
Lily and abeg, na abeg
Bros
as still dey abeg.
Bros
The
Lucky.
children dey talk to their
Abeg, I
father
wan beg you
abeg so that
something.
he
When
head
you
go
leave
fit
Bros
calm
Lucky,
down.
call Lily.
No,
Now Lily
na
will
lie,
be
I
back.
don tell
Abeg.
you. Bros Lucky, Bros
Yeah, Lily,
Topolo.
abeg.
Abeg, una still beg the man. Because one thing, if you wan go do Arsenio Nico, or ask you whether may your husband they take half, they take half. Mona tell the man may leave Arsenio Nico for the wife.
He asked me, Mama, why your vagina is big? I tell her, say, I be mama, if you don't see go like me. But if now some mother that pikin has that question, go beat that pikin. No, you want to know why you're small, why my own big?
Bros
You're
Lucky,
small, my own big. You not get her, man, you get her. Why? Baby,
Bros
now
Lucky,
like give her
I
that
no
correct answer.
understand though. I no understand.
Your grandmother
Who shall be saying Becky of the
but
Bible
you
say you
don't
understand? The mama they tell pikin say wait to go be for social media. You say you don't understand Becky.
Why would they
Is
talk
this
another
right?
matter? Una dey come play
I swear they
Toto
tell
wife
you,
and Toto
Abeg,
slave.
you just
me
come
they
on.
tell